This is Twitter. And he's appearing to be dead. Playing dead, Twitter? Hmm? You playing dead, boy? But contrary to popular belief, Twitter's not dead. Or he's not dying, I mean. He has what we think are mites on his legs. And we were prescribed a cream today. And we're applying it on his legs. And sometimes he rests like this because he's really, he's got, I don't know if you can see, but if you look real carefully on his feet, on his little feet, he's got some stuff on there, which we had no idea what that was until my wife went to the veterinarian today and they told her what it was. So we've applied it a couple of times to Twitter, and we've seen quite a significance in his balance and whatnot. You see, if I open it, get excited, he'll get up and catches his balance really quick. Yeah, there he goes. Look at that. But then he'll fall right over again, which was kind of scary at first because we thought he was dying on us. And another big characteristic is that he used to rub his beak on the cage every morning, which is also another sign of mites on his beak. But as you can see, a bird wouldn't be eating if he wasn't healthy. And look at Twitter. He's eating like crazy, which is a good sign. He's very healthy, but unfortunately he has mites and the washer's going crazy. So this is just a documentary on the Twitter
for reference
for now, and hopefully this sheds light on anybody who's watching this in case you guys have a canary that's doing the same thing. He's not going to die. He's just itching a lot. So the stuff you apply on his beak, it's called Scalex. You apply it on his beak and on his affected area, which in this case was Twitter's legs. And yeah, in his beak. And then hopefully you guys will, yeah, just read the directions. It says apply twice for 3 to 5 days. And I think our canary's going to be okay. Look at him.
7 days.
Yeah, we called him the drunken canary for the last few days because we weren't sure what the hell was going on with him. But he's going to be okay.
Like always. Thanks to Mom.
Yep. Okay, so here we go. We'll be back in about 7 days. And today is the March the 5th. And we'll be back with another prognosis in a couple of days.
Progress.
Prognosis, whatever. Okay.